Hi there. In a moment, we'll take a look at the Module 7 HTML exercises that you and your classmates submitted. But right now, I just wanted to point out in the instructions that you were asked to create a web page with 3 or more of the exercises below. And I have to say, I was so impressed about the or more. You guys really did a great job, and I'm so pleased for you, not only what you did in this exercise, but at the progress you've made at this point in the semester. So let's go take a look at what the class created. The first thing that I see on this page is the wonderful visual hierarchy. It is so easy to go from topic to topic and identify what is a main heading and what is a subheading. We also have the rules, and down below we have a table, which I will show you in just a moment. There we go, without borders. And from where I sit, I love a table without borders when it's this small, because sometimes they just get in the way. So and all of you put in comments when I was looking at your source, and that's excellent. And of course, it's required for your Web Pages project. So very good example here. So here we have a table with images in the cells. I think having this color is very effective to contrast with the image. My suggestion would be to also have this color in each of these cells, and of course, rather than having the generic column 1 and generic 2. I do like the use of the rules here, 2 rules and then a single rule. I've scrolled down so you can see the rest of the page, and again we have that excellent visual hierarchy, so we know exactly what is the heading, what is the subheading. And Felicia has created this in regards to her web project, which I noticed many of you did, so bravo, that'll be so helpful. And so I just think this was an excellent example of what can be done with the HTML that you've learned so far. Let's move on. This web page, in my view, shows an excellent example of using a background. You can still read the text, and we do have the hierarchy here. Very good use of an image that relates to the topic, and another image, and then a third. So I wanted you to see how you can use a background with images. Let's go on. I've seen tremendous progress in applying best practices to your web pages. And so here we have good use of color, and again we do have the hierarchy, which is very helpful. A video that was embedded, and I just want to say, if you haven't embedded a video yet, I suggest that you try it with one of your HTML exercises soon, because it is required for the Web Pages project. And so we have a video here, and as I come down we have an image, and there's something else I'd like you to see as well. So I just want everyone to know, especially Scott, that this is a fine example of the HTML pages. So those of you who think you have to do more than is required, you can do more to help you, but not so much as to waste time. So we do like seeing what Scott has created, and he does have a rule here. I just wanted you to see that he had his requirements done. Let's go on to our next and final. This is the first in a series of 3 web pages. I found that not only was the hierarchy there, it was a very clean looking page, but it captured my attention here. Now, what I'm going to show you all is that this link didn't work, and I wanted you to see that. See, nothing's happening. When you upload all of your files to the server, be sure you check your links to make sure that they work. Let's go to the second page. So another nice design, and I see this wizard installs the software. What is that? So this is being used for the Web Pages project, which is on steganography. So when I click on this link, it doesn't go anywhere. Let me show you what does happen at the status bar. So as I put my mouse here up at the link, you'll notice at the bottom of the page in the status bar, we have the location for the link, and it's just not working. And I think it might be because I don't have access to that account. So as you are working with your web pages, be sure to check every link. And this is to help you so that when I'm grading your project, everything is working well. Let's take a look at the last page from this student. Here is an embedded video, and I think it ties in really well with the topic, and it makes me want to click here. And that's what we want with our web pages. We want our visitors to do something, and that gets them more committed to the page and keeps their interest. So overall, you all did such a fantastic job. I'm just very happy for you. Bye for now.